Let us solve a problem number 11 right here. Let us go with this. So what is the question they have asked here? P and Q can do a piece of work in 16 days. That is P and Q. Let me write down here. P and Q can do a piece of work in 16 days, right? And P alone can do the same work in 24 days. So, right. So what we are supposed to find? How long will Q alone take? So Q, we need to find out, right? P plus Q. So 1 day work is equal to 1 by 16. Similarly, P's 1 day work is how much? That is 1 by 24. Now we need to find out Q's 1 day work. 1 day work is equal to, so that is P plus Q's 1 day work minus P's 1 day work. So P plus Q's 1 day work is 1 by 16 minus P's 1 day work is 1 by 24. Now take a LCM for 16 and 24, which is going to be 48. You can take this LCM here, right? 2 8s are 2 12s are, again 2 4s are, 2 6s are, again 2, right? 2 2s are, 2 3s are. Further is not possible. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is 48. 48 is the LCM. 48. Now 48 divided by 16, that is 3. 3 into 1 is 3 minus 24. 48 divided by 24, that is going to be 2. 2 into 1 is 2. So nothing but 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 by 48. So Q's 1 day work is how much? That is 48. So Q can complete the same work in 48 days. Right? This is the answer. Hope you understood, right?